Are you a creator craving color-perfect edits without breaking the bank? The ASUS ProArt PA278QV promises professional-grade color accuracy at a sub-$1. $300 price point, a bold claim for any monitor. But can this 27-inch display really deliver studio-caliber performance for photographers, designers, and video editors? In this in-depth review, we put it through real-world creative tests to see if it's the hidden gem your desktop's been missing or just overhyped. Let's dive in. Product overview. The ASUS ProArt PA278QV is a 27-inch, 2560 x 1440 resolution IPS monitor released in 2020 under ASUS's ProArt lineup, designed specifically for creative professionals. With a sharp QHD resolution and 100% coverage of both sRGB and Rec. 709 color gamuts, it targets photographers, graphic designers, and video editors who demand accuracy without paying a premium. Out of the box. It's factory calibrated and Calman-verified to deliver a color accuracy. Delta E of less than 2. That studio-level precision without third-party calibration tools. While it doesn't support HDR, it offers a 75 Hz refresh rate, adaptive sync compatibility, and a range of ergonomic adjustments, making it ideal for multitasking across creative software like Adobe Lightroom, Premiere Pro, and Photoshop. So, you're a creator on a budget. Could this be your next go-to monitor? Performance? In daily use, the PA278QV punches well above its weight. Its QHD resolution offers a sharp and spacious canvas. It's ideal for side-by-side editing or layered timelines in Premiere Pro. According to RTINGS, delivers excellent SDR brightness, making it readable even in bright office lighting. Color performance is where this monitor shines. Photography Life confirmed its stable 100% sRGB and Rec. 709 coverage, while RTINs measured factory-calibrated color errors at under 2, and post-calibration errors down to an astonishing 0.2, essentially indistinguishable from perfection. It also supports adaptive sync, including AMD FreeSync and GSYNC compatible modes. While 75 Hz isn't built for fast-paced gaming, it's more than adequate for editing video footage, scrolling smoothly through timelines, or previewing animations. Viewing angles are wide, gray uniformity is solid, and peak brightness is strong. However, contrast is average for IPS tech, leading to washed-out blacks in dark environments. IPS glow is also mildly present in corners, but it's subtle enough not to distract during work. For photographers, content creators, and media pros who spend hours editing, these compromises are acceptable given its price and color fidelity, features, and technology. Let's break down the features that make this monitor a creative workhorse. Factory calibrated and Calman-verified. With Delta E less than 2 straight from the box and ultra-low post-calibration values, you get near-perfect accuracy without needing your own colorimeter. 100% sRGB and Rec. 709 coverage. A must-have for professionals working in web, print, or HD video workflows. Adaptive sync support. Compatible with both AMD FreeSync and NVIDIA G-Sync, this minimizes tearing during playback or motion previews. Flexible ergonomics. The stand offers a wide range of adjustability, tilt, swivel, pivot, and nearly 6 inches of height adjustment. It even rotates for portrait mode. Rich connectivity. Inputs include DisplayPort, Mini DisplayPort, HDMI 1.4, Dual-Link DVI-D, and 4 USB 3.0 ports. It supports multi-device setups, docking stations, and legacy hardware alike. Productivity features. A built-in ruler and ASUS QuickFit software overlay help with precision layouts in print and design work. Port Palette offers customizable color parameters for detailed calibration. Design and build. The PA278QV isn't flashy, but it's functional. Its matte black design with 3 slim bezels and a slightly thicker chin makes it look clean and professional on any desk. The base is sturdy, though slightly prone to scratches. At 16.5 pounds with the stand, it's stable without being bulky. Ergonomics are a major plus. You get up to 5.9 inches of vertical movement, -5 to 35 tilt, and full pivot. Swivel adjustment, The anti-glare matte coating is excellent for handling reflections in well-lit rooms. That said, being an IPS panel, expect mild IPS glow in dark environments and average black depth. Still, for long editing sessions, this is one of the most comfortable, user-friendly displays you can get in its price range. Pros: accurate colors, full sRGB and rec. 709 coverage, ergonomic stand. USB hub, smooth motion with adaptive sync. Cons: no HDR support, 75 Hz. Refresh not ideal for competitive gaming price and value. At launch, the ASUS ProArt PA278QV retailed for around $269. In 2025, it typically sells between $249 and $279 at US retailers like B&H, SHI, and Amazon. That's a sweet spot. Significantly cheaper than true pro monitors like ISO or Bank, but leagues ahead of cheap 108p displays in both resolution and color precision. If your budget is under $300 and color matters more than frame rates or HDR, this is arguably the best bang for your buck monitor for creative professionals. Final verdict: so, is the ASUS ProArt PA278QV worth it? Absolutely, if you're a creative pro who prioritizes color accuracy, comfortable design, and great value over high refresh rates and HDR visuals. While it lacks SBC and HDR features found in newer models like the PA278CV or PA279CRV, it costs noticeably less and still delivers near-flawless color for serious work. For photographers editing in Lightroom, designers working in Illustrator, or video editors crafting in Premiere, this monitor nails the essentials. It's not a gaming powerhouse, nor is it ideal for cinematic HDR work. But if your workflow lives and dies by accurate color and SDR, the PA278QV is a silent overachiever that won't disappoint.